Did you know that over 70% of customers return to the same place where they bought their tires for service? That's a huge opportunity for your shop, not just for customer loyalty, but for building long-term value through necessary maintenance. The real question is, once you earn that customer, are you doing everything you can to boost your repair order sales numbers? Let's talk about how basic tire inspections can open the door for more sales opportunities and customer trust. When a customer comes in for service, no matter what it is, start with the essentials, like measuring tread depth. A lot of tires on the road today need to be replaced, so a simple measurement provides you the opportunity to talk about safety and tire health with your customers. Next, check inflation to make sure it's at the recommended placard levels. Use a reliable gauge to confirm the tires are at the recommended pressure. It may be simple, but this one step can help spot patterns that point to deeper issues. And, of course, check out that tread wear. Are your customers' tires showing signs of irregular tread? That could mean their tires are out of alignment or maybe need a suspension inspection. Regardless, these aren't just boxes to check. They're conversation starters that can mean the difference between a regular visit and your shop making more money on added services. If you have inspection software that prints results, use those to show customers where the problem is and why it needs to be solved during that visit. Start with the good news. Maybe the right front tire reads 8/32 across the tread. That shows the customer what a good tread wear looks like. Use that printout to show why other tires, like those with less tread, may become a problem. Maybe there's some mild shoulder wear on the rear tire. While it may not be an emergency, it might be time for an alignment and suspension check. Use that moment to explain what's happening and why it matters. Finally, address the problems. Let's say the front left tire is worn badly on the inside edge, showing a potential camber issue. Your message to the customer here is simple. That's a safety concern that should be fixed immediately. Going line by line, showcasing the good and the bad, will help your customers walk away feeling informed, not pressured. That's what brings them back. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.